Sister, if you're wondering how I achieved this beautiful airdrop style using two-color Ashoke fabric, come closer. Let me show you how to do it. You can see the way I hold the two fabric together. And I just open it all to form a very big two-color flower rose in that manner, and that is going to go to the back of my head because I don't want to tuck in that end. I just want to create another design at the back of this scale. And you can see this scale, I'm not making pleats, so this style is suitable for somebody that doesn't like to do pleats. And you can just wrap this, wrap it intentionally like the Arab queen you are. And I go to the back, see the way I cross it underneath my petal flower because I want that to show at the back. And I kind of like intertwine it in such a way that each hand is forming to where I want it to fall. Basically, I want one color on one side, one color on the other side. And as you can see, that hand did not go around again. So I just make sure I pull it snuggy and hold the two ends together in front with the hair tie. You can make use of rubber band, but you should know, if you have been watching me by now, that I love to use hair tie. And you can see we are done with this amazing, gorgeous African airdrop style. And we're just arranging the rows to form very well. Use pin to pin the pinnables, and voila, we are good to go. We are done with this airdrop tutorial. But seriously, honestly, guys, what do you think about the mixture of the colors, about the style? Let me know what comments you have about this airdrop style, and what will you like me to create next. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome, sharing my video, watching my video. I really appreciate you guys. God bless you. And if you are watching me and you haven't given me a follow, what are you waiting for? Give me that follow today and learn how to wrap different DIY and cover airdrops. Don't forget to share. I'll see you